right now we're going to talk about PROCOTE quality. Corey, what do we look for when we get a tote and we want to check the quality of the oil that's in the tote? In this case, we're dealing with a tote of copper. Mm-hmm. How do we check the quality of this tote?
Well, Murray, the best way that I would suggest is with the ProBlend, the tube that you're given for agitation. It's the best method to get to the top, from the top to the bottom of the tote. This actually gets right down to the bottom. What I would do before you use a tote for the first time, or every time you go to use it, if you're questioning the consistency of the product, does it need agitation? How thick is it? Is it okay? This will even tell you if it's too cold. Simply take the ProBlend, disconnect the regulator from the top. Just simply drop it into the tote, and you're just wanting to feel, just run the tube up and down inside the tote. You're wanting to feel a good consistent product, top to bottom. You're looking for the consistency of latex paint. If you notice, this tube is slowly dropping just under its own weight, so this tote is good to go. Again, you're just checking the consistency. It's important to go right to the bottom, and this tote feels exactly the same top to bottom. It still does need an agitation for about 5 minutes prior to use the first time, but you're off to a really good start.
And what does it mean if I see like a thin oil layer on the top? Is that something I should be worried about?
No, that's nothing to worry about. All that's telling you is it needs a bit of an agitation. An oil separation line is common. You're going to see it in every tote to some degree, whether it's a 1/4 inch all the way up to 8 inches.
8 inches.
It doesn't matter. It just says the oil is there and I need to be agitated. We do have an agitation guideline, but the best way is to use the time guideline, but then also go by the oil line in the tote. Agitate if you've done 5 minutes and there's still 3 inches of agitation line, go another 5 minutes. You want to get rid of that oil line at the end of the day, but it shouldn't take you more than 15 minutes on any tote.
Good to know. Thanks.